Okay, so let us have example number 8. So in example number 8, we have the limit of 2 minus 5x where x approaches to negative 1. So in example number 8 will be based on the property of limits number 3, wherein limit of nx plus c approaches to a, x approaches to, where x approaches to a, that is a sub n, a multiplied to n plus c. So let us show how to evaluate this limit. So we have, copy the constant 2 minus 5, and then the x approaches is negative 1. So we have 2 minus 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. Then let us simplify. Negative times negative 5, that is positive. So 2 plus 5. So our answer of the limits is 7. Okay. So we have, let us proceed to example number 9. So in example number 9, we have the limit of x to the power of 2 where x approaches to 3. So that would be based on the property number 4, wherein limit of x to the power of n where x approaches to a is equal to a to the power of n. So approaches will be the power of the exponent. Okay, so we have limit of x to the power of 2 is where x approaches to 3. So we're going to change x as 3. So we have its approaches. So we have 3 to the power of 2, that is 3 to the power of 2, that is 9. Okay, next, number 10, we have limit of 4x cubed where x approaches to negative 1/2. So let us now use the property limits number 4 where provided a to the power of n exists. So 4, substitute lang natin yung negative 1/2 sa x natin and then to the power of 3. Then, simplify first itong portion na to. We have 4 multiplied to negative 1 cubed, that is negative 1, and 2 cubed, that is 8. Then we directly multiplied 4 times negative 1, 8, that is negative 4 over 8, and then negative 4 over 8 will be divisible by 4. So negative 4 divided by 4, that is negative 1, and 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So our limit is negative 1/2. Okay, number 11 rather. Number 11, we have the limit of square root of 8 where x approaches to 8. So this example will be based on the property of limits number 5, wherein limit of square root of x where x approaches to a is equal to square root of its approaches. So kung ano yung approaches niya dito, yan yung sagot natin dito. Okay? So we have square root of 8 is this is a square root of its constant, so therefore our answer is square root of its constant. Okay, next, number 12, limit of square root of x squared plus 2 where x approaches to 1. We're going to apply the property number 5, square root of x is equal to square root of its approaches, and also we're going to apply the property number 3. So we have square root of x will be its approaches 1, quantity squared plus copy the constant 2 is equal to square root of 1 squared, that is 1, plus 2. So therefore, 1 plus 2, we have the answer of square root of 3. So that is our limit.